Yeah, this is good. So what we're doing today is making tempeh chicken. All right, we're gonna make some fried chicken out of tempeh. It's gonna be delicious. Basically, you start off boiling some water. That takes like 15-20 minutes. And then you put together a little marinade. So basically in here is soy sauce. We're using a Tamari soy sauce. I just pretty much just pour it. I don't really have any measurements for you. You pour some of that. Splash of olive oil. And what else did I put in here? I think I put a teaspoon. I did measure the teaspoon of salt. And a little bit of water as well. That's why. And some the secret ingredient. Bam. Nutritional yeast. Do one of those, and that's pretty much the marinade. Okay. Then I also put together the breadcrumb mix. The breadcrumb mix is we're using French's fried onion, original. If you can see that, yeah, you can see it. And basically, I use one whole thing of these. I dump it in there. Also use hey Tate. I also use 2 packets of little Sazon. This one's tropical. I don't know. Add a little Sazon, spice it up. And I think I also put in. Well, that's all I actually put in for now. And here we have the tempeh. I have 2 packets here. I'm gonna show you how to cut them. So they gotta be cut into little triangles. So tempeh comes in a giant rectangle. All right.
He's a real French guy.
Basically, you cut it in half, and then you cut it into triangles. And then you cut the triangles in half so it cooks better. So this is where I'm at. I'm at these 2 triangles. I'm gonna try not to cut my finger off live on TV. All right. Here we go. Bam. Bam. Cut them in half. Boom. Get this angle. Now it can fall apart, so try to hold it together. All right, so I cut the tempeh up. Throw it in the pot. Let me throw it in the boiling water pot. As you can see, my wife has the tempeh, and she's putting it on a spatula and placing it into the boiling pot of water. It's okay, but basically, put it in there. How long we put it in for? 20 minutes? About 30 minutes. Boil it for 30 minutes. Got it. Let's prep the crumbs. This is all the French's stuff in here. So you take a rolling pin and you put it in a Ziploc bag, but you definitely want to get the air out. And you make breadcrumbs. Then you get a nice little fine breadcrumb texture mix. Voila. What else we add in here? Once again, that was just the French's onions, fried onion rings. All right, we're gonna put a half cup of breadcrumbs, Panko. They're Japanese style breadcrumbs.
Oh, matches this.
Sounds delicious. All right, a full cup Panko breadcrumbs. Bam. Ow. What else are we adding? A whole cup of flour. We're also going to add a whole cup of flour to the breadcrumb mix. And that's to give it a nice little coating so it fries easier. You want to level it out, right?
I put too much.
That's fine. All right. Nice cup of flour. Boom. Okay. Add a teaspoon of salt. Using the pink salt.
You just want to get your thing that you.
Okay. Boom. What else? Cornstarch. Add cornstarch. About a 1/3 cup. All right. What else? What else? Stir it up. We also add some more nutritional yeast to the breadcrumb mix. How much? Good. About a 1/4 cup. about a 1/4 cup. Okay, so we're just gonna keep mixing the mixture by hand. We added another packet of Sazon because it didn't quite taste to what my wife was expecting, and just gonna keep mixing it until it's ready. Good. All right, let me taste this. See what this is supposed to be like. Okay.
My Play-Doh went all the way.
So it tastes like onion rings with Sazon. All right, so we're gonna transfer the tempeh to the marinade bowl. What is that? A slotted spoon. You drain the water, let it drain, and dump it right in there. Hold on, let me shut this alarm off. Forget the mixing bowl. Get a square pan for the marinade. You can mix your marinade in a bowl if you want, and then dump it into a square pan so you can put your tempeh into the squared pan, and it just absorbs all that good flavor. Looking good. It's looking good. All right, so you're pretty much just soaking the tempeh for about 15 minutes, right? Not even that long?
Yeah.
Just keep flipping them around though, so they all get that flavor in there. Yeah, 15 minutes. My dad used to fry chicken cutlet, and he used to bread the chicken cutlet and fry it. And this replaces that for me. It's banging. You eat that with some rice and beans, and a little plantains, and some maduros, and delicious. But I don't have none of that, so all I have is rice and tempeh fried chicken. Okay, so let the tempeh soak for about 5 minutes, and then start flipping them, and then let it soak for another 5 minutes, and then you'll be ready to start frying. Actually, start breading and then frying. All right, so I flipped these. So now we're ready for the breadcrumb process. All right, we're gonna do one of these. Put that there. You want to do like the first couple, so I don't get yelled at. Let me get this chair out the way. We'll save some for Tate and Liam too. All right. Chives. All right, so she is basically just taking a piece, throwing in the breadcrumb mixture, and covering it in breadcrumbs. Yep, flip it around and then put breadcrumbs over. Take some breadcrumbs and put it on top. Like smash it in like that.
Cut it on.
Yep. 5 years old cooking. Amazing.
Well done.
There's actually chefs at 5 years old. Isn't that crazy? I don't know if it's 5. It might be 9, but look delicious. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that golden brown sizzle. Look at that sizzle.
Daddy, you want to know it's great because it's not cooked.
Yep. And that's it. So once both sides are golden brown like that, you pretty much take them out.
Daddy, I'm done.
See the one in the middle? The one in the middle is not quite ready, but the ones on the side, on the bottom, right there, the one that she's grabbing, perfection.
Daddy, look, I'm done.
Chickenless chicken. Oh, the final product. Whoa! Whoa!
Daddy, can I eat it? Daddy, stop showing me.
Frying is the most important part. But okay, so we made 3 packets, right? But this feeds a family. It feeds me. I'm a family of 5 of my own. Boom! There's dinner. Take a picture. Enjoy, guys. And that's it, just like that. Just like that. An hour and 40 minutes. And you can make some yourself. Some fried tempeh chicken. Whatever other sides you want to eat it with. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.
Guys, happy Easter and goodbye. I have a lollipop. It's watermelon. My little sister's here. Look. I know what to do because Bonnie but. Bonnie but.
What the? Say goodnight. Say goodnight.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye-bye.